Think a shady, humid balcony is bad for plants? Not true at all. Some plants actually hate strong sun. They prefer soft light, moist air, and calm corners. If your balcony feels more like a rainforest than a desert, you're in luck. Today, I'll share 10 plants that truly thrive in humid, shady balconies. No harsh sun required. These are perfect for apartments, rentals, and low-light outdoor spaces. Let's get started. 1. Ferns. Ferns are humidity lovers. They naturally grow under forest canopies. They enjoy shade and consistently moist air. Dry wind is their enemy. If your balcony feels damp in the mornings, ferns will feel right at home. 2. Peace lily. Peace lily do very well in bright shade. Direct sun burns their leaves. They love humidity and slightly moist soil. Drooping leaves are their way of asking for water. Bonus: they flower even in low light. 3. Calathea. Calatheas are made for shady, humid spaces. They hate direct sun and dry air. Their patterned leaves move slightly at night. It's subtle, but beautiful. Keep them sheltered from wind and they'll reward you with a lush growth. 4. Begonia. Begonias love shade and moisture in the air. Rex begonias are grown mainly for their dramatic leaves. They prefer bright shade, not deep darkness. Morning light is perfect. Avoid soaking the soil. Humidity is good, soggy roots are not. 5. Fittonia. Fittonia thrives in humid environments. Dry air makes it faint dramatically. It stays compact, making it great for small balconies. Shade keeps its colors vibrant. If your balcony traps moisture after rain, Fittonia will love it. 6. Spider plant. Spider plants adapt well to shade and humidity. They're tough and forgiving. They don't mind low light and still produce baby plants. Humidity helps prevent brown tips. Perfect if you want something easy and reliable. 7. Philodendron. Philodendrons naturally grow under trees. Shade feels natural to them. They enjoy humid air and steady temperatures. Climbing types do great on balcony walls or railings. They're low maintenance and beginner friendly. 8. Chinese evergreen. Aglaonema tolerates shade extremely well. Too much sun actually fades its leaves. Humidity helps keep foliage full and glossy. It's also very slow growing, which is great for balconies. This is a set it and forget it plant. 9. Peperomia. Peperomia prefers indirect light and moderate humidity. Too much sun stresses it. Its thick leaves store moisture, so it handles humidity without rotting. Great for shelves or hanging pots. It stays neat and compact. 10. English ivy. English ivy grows naturally in shaded, cool places. It enjoys humidity and gentle airflow. It works beautifully as a trailing balcony plant. Just avoid letting water sit in the pot. Trim regularly to keep it tidy. Extra tips. Avoid direct afternoon sun, even for shade-loving plants. Group plants together to increase humidity naturally. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Water in the morning so leaves dry slowly. Protect plants from strong wind and heat waves. If your balcony finally feels plant-friendly, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Subscribe for easy, real-world gardening advice and comment below. Which of these plants is already on your balcony, or which one are you adding next? Happy balcony gardening!